Okay folks, everybody that's got a YouTube channel that's anything to do with making or homesteading or whatever has always done a burn barrel video, right? Well, I'm going to do mine. Yeah, y'all notice this? I'm going to put spikes in mine. So yeah, I marked it here in quarters. Let me show you right here. I marked here and it's went straight down and done. So I'm going to cut 4 holes in this thing. So I'm just going to lay it down. I'm going to use these marks I made. Here's my mark right here. So we want to come up 3.5 off of that. And then we're going to mark this like this, and we're going to come up 7.5 to that one. See, right there. Yeah, that was to the bottom like that, okay? So that's the way we're going to do it. We're going to go around the barrel, we're going to mark them all like this, and we're going to bang them in. So let me get this marked. Then this line over here, I'm just going to put in for looks. But that's the way they're going to look, okay? One of Spike's favorite tools. Get on safety glasses before I jump in here. These bent outside. Now see where I done that one? I want it on the inside. That ain't gonna work because when it rains, water's gonna get in. I need it to come outside. Y'all know what I'm gonna do, don't you? Yeah. I bet y'all wanna watch this, don't you? Wanna watch me climb inside this barrel. I got it out here, but I want it down out. Got my 4 holes in it to make a swirl, we hope. I gave these just a little bit of a tweak right here just to bend them up, get the water to run and come off when it hits. I put 1 slot in the bottom of it for the water to drain out, so in case any water gets in the barrel, it can drain out the bottom right here. Now, the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to put in a stop to stop the garbage from going all the way into the bottom and smothering it. So we're going to take a piece of this 1/2-inch conduit and run it right through this little hole right here. We're going to stick some of them through the barrel right there, okay? So that's what's going through here next, some of these through the barrel. So let's get that done next. The best way I know to do that is to line this up with that hole right there. Okay? So we can go ahead and cut these to go through an inch on each side, and I'm going to bend it over. There we go. We'll put 2 more pieces of pipe in, I think. across there, help stop everything from falling through. We'll get that done right quick. Okay, official spike Frugal Fixer trash barrel with spikes in the side. We'll see how it works tomorrow. Throw some cheap herbage in the sucker. Let's start fire. That, hold it up, got the air to come in, should take off. See what it does. Okay, I got the barrel all ready for tomorrow, so tomorrow we're gonna go out and put a fire in it and we'll get a picture and see just how good it burns, and if we get a good burn out of it, we burn up all this scrap we got around here. Been a good day altogether. I got the dust collector hooked up the outside. I got 2 drawers built for the drill press table. I got this thing fixed where it wasn't moving on its own. Got a dust collection put on it, and hey, we're moving on. I got a little bit more to do today. Let's keep going. See y'all in a little bit. Thank you for checking it out if you did, and you need to subscribe if you haven't. I'd really appreciate you, okay? And do me a favor. God loves you and so do I. You can't take it with you, so hey, make some. That's right, make some. Enjoy yourself. Later.